Hello everyone and welcome back to the series. In the last video, we explored RunnableSequence, where each step in the chain passed its output to the next, creating a smooth step-by-step flow of data. But now, we're flipping that idea around and diving into something that works side by side instead of one after another, which is RunnableParallel. Simply put, RunnableParallel allows us to run multiple sequences or tasks at the same time in parallel. While RunnableSequence is all about order and dependency, where step 2 awaits for step 1, RunnableParallel is about independence and speed. Each branch runs simultaneously on the same input, producing multiple outputs at once. So imagine you're a content creator and you have one topic, say AI, and you want a tweet, a LinkedIn post, or maybe an Instagram caption about it. So instead of generating them one by one, RunnableParallel lets you generate all of them in a single call. So that's exactly what we'll be doing in this video. We'll create two separate prompts, one to generate a tweet and another to generate a LinkedIn post about the same topic. Then we'll wrap them inside a RunnableParallel. So both prompts are executed at the same time using the same model. The final output will give us both results neatly, one as a tweet and then the other as a LinkedIn post. So the real advantage here of RunnableParallel is efficiency. When you're building complex AI workflows like summarizing document, generating multiple content format, or running multi-perspective analysis, RunnableParallel helps you process everything faster and more efficiently without waiting for one task to finish before starting the next. So in this video, we'll see RunnableParallel in action, understand how it complements RunnableSequence, and also explore how combining both can help us build truly powerful multi-step, multi-output pipelines. So let's get started and then go to the code. So I'm going to create a new file called RunnableParallel.py. I'll be using the same import, so I'm just going to copy it from here, okay? So these three imports are the same. These four imports are the same. And then I will need to call up RunnableParallel and RunnableSequence here. So LangChain dot schema dot runnable import runnable sequence and then runnable parallel. Okay, so this is also same. I'll have prompt 1, which tells me or which is about generating a tweet. So generate a tweet about topic, and then the input variables here is a topic, and another prompt is also the same, so I'm just going to copy this. So prompt 2 is generate a LinkedIn post about a topic. So this is going to be prompt 2. I'll define my model. So model equals to Chat Google Generative AI, model equal to Gemini 2.5 Flash. We'll also have a parser. So parser equals to str output parser. And after that, I'm going to implement a parallel chain using RunnableParallel. So parallel chain equals to RunnableParallel, and inside this, I'll have two different runnable sequences. Okay, so the first one will be named tweet, and inside this I'll have a runnable sequence. Tweet, it is going to be a runnable sequence where I'm going to pass in prompt 1, model, and then parser. And similarly, I'll also have second runnable sequence. It will be about prompt 2, model, and parser. Now going to invoke this parallel chain dot invoke. The topic is going to be we will do runnable parallel in LangChain, and then I'm going to print the result. So this is how we implement a runnable parallel in LangChain. We'll need runnable sequences for individual parallel events here. So let me run this and then see the output. Again, it is going to take some time to run because I have multiple runnable sequences here. So these two need to be implemented, but they'll be implemented simultaneously at once. And then I'll get the final output here. Also, if we need to maybe bind our output in some form of schema, we know that we've already done that. We can do it using pydantic, or maybe by defining some form of schema, and then we've done it in our earlier videos. If you haven't seen that, you can go back and then check it out and try it yourself. So here we have a tweet. And then down here, we also somewhere have a LinkedIn post that we need to find, but at least it's there somewhere. It is there somewhere around there. And then in case of LinkedIn post, I think I'm getting some code to here, like these lines. I think are the codes here. So anyway, we have implemented a runnable parallel in this particular program. If you have any queries, do comment down below and I'll try to help you out. And I'm going to end this video and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.